Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain how to deploy a follower in Carcassonne. When the player has placed the tile in their turn, they may deploy a follower, and in following you must observe that only one follower may be deployed each turn. The follower must come from the player's supply. The follower may only be deployed to the tile just placed, and the player must decide which part of the tile the follower is deployed to, as either a thief on a road segment. So let's place a tile, and on this newly placed tile I can deploy a follower as a thief on the road segment, as a knight in a city segment, as a monk on a cloister. So if instead of that tile I've placed a tile like that, then I can place here a monk, or also I can deploy a farmer, but it has to be laying down, and as you can see I can deploy a farmer here or here because these are different field segments. So when I've decided, I just place it here or here or here or here. And you must observe that there must be no other follower, not even one belonging to the same player, on the road, city or field segments connected to the tile just placed. It doesn't matter how far the follower is. So if I were to place a tile instead of here, I've placed a tile here, then I cannot place a follower as a knight in this city segment, but I can place it as a farmer or as a thief on a road segment. Also, as you can see here, the green farmer lays on this big farm segment. So if I have placed a tile like that, I cannot place my farmer here because this is the same. I cannot place it here because this is the same farm still, but I can place it here because the road makes it another farm. And if you finish a city or road segment which was previously unoccupied, you do not have to occupy it to earn the points. You can close the city or road without being occupied. So if I placed a tile like that, then I complete this city and it can be scored without any follower on it. And if any feature was completed through the placement of a tile, it must now be scored. If not, the player's turn is over and it is the turn of the next player on the left. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.